Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this beautiful earring. It's a flower and then with some nail polish, and it's quite easy to make and funny to wear. So let's get started to create a pair of this paper flower earring. We will need the template. I will provide the template, it's on my blog, and you can find the link below this video in the description of the video. We will need the template. We will need to cut the template, and then you have to choose the paper that you like. I will use this one, and then with my template you can trace and draw your template with the pencil, or you can trace your earring in this way, putting the template on the paper and with the scissor going around. I prefer to do it this way, so I don't have to cancel and rubber away anything. So here my flower, and then we will cover our flower with some nail polish. If you are following my channel, you know that I'm a great fan of nail polish, above all to create paper jewels. I love nail polish. I sometimes go in some shops in order to find new nail polish that I like. Okay, now we have our flower. We have to create two paper flowers. Okay, we will need some nail polish. I found this one and I think it's great, but you can use the one you prefer. You can use a glitter, silver glitter polish, or gold, as you like. I will use this one in blue because I think it's quite a match. Okay, we will need something in order to give the nail polish without any problem and without ruining your table or the place where you will give your nail polish. Okay, you will need to nail polish the front of the flower and the back also. It's better in this way because it's more finished. Okay, now we will have to leave the paper flower here, front and back. That's quite better. Okay, we will need to leave the flower for some minutes in order to the nail polish to dry. Okay, I've just create my finished paper flower. Here we have the finished paper flower, and I put the nail polish in front and on the back. Okay, now we will need to create the center of our earring. I will use this paper punch. It's for flowers, and it's a flower paper punch. I punched two pieces, one in this color and the other one in the other color. This is a glitter paper in blue, and then I will glue together these two pieces with some tacky glue. So we will have our earring center. If you don't have this kind of punch, you can use another kind of punch, or you can use something similar as you like. So after punch the two flowers and glue together, we will need to attach to glue one of these gem. I found this pack of gems in a €1 shop, and I think they are quite nice in some different color. Okay, we will need to take one of these. Okay, and then with our tacky glue we will glue this in the middle of the flower. Okay, voila. And we will have to wait for the flower in order to, so all the pieces will stay together. So okay, leave it to dry, and then I have my finished flower, and this way you will need to glue this to the center of our flower, in this way. Just a second. Voila. We will need to glue these two pieces together with some tacky glue. We can glue together the two pieces, and again leave it to dry. When dried, you can fold a little the finished part of the flower. Okay, and now we will need to create to punch a little hole in order to put this and to create our earring. We will create our little hole with this tool. You can choose the place here. I think it's better. Okay, and then here I have my hole, and then we will need to put this in the hole, and voila, we have our two super gorgeous earring, pepper flowers earring. They are so nice for this summer. They are a great pair of earrings. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.